Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we will learn how to import Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets for retail business. So here let's assume that I have a retail business and to promote that I'm using Facebook lead ads. So now I want whenever I receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically with the details received, I wish to add those details in my Google spreadsheet. So to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using Pabbly Connect, where my trigger application will be Facebook lead ads and my action application will be Google Sheets. So to learn how I set up the integration between these two, follow me through the screen. In this video, we are going to understand how to import Facebook lead ads into Google Sheets for retail business. So let's say that I'm promoting my retail business with the help of Facebook lead ads. Now every time a new lead is received, I want that the details of this new lead should be added in my spreadsheet as a new row. Now to do this, I will have to integrate these two applications, and the same thing can be done by using Pabbly Connect. So I will simply sign into my Pabbly Connect account, but if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button, and at the time of account creation, you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I will simply sign in. Now this is the all applications page by Pabbly. So I will simply go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So now this here is my dashboard, and to create a new workflow, on my right hand side corner, I will click on this create workflow button, and now in this dialog box appearing, I will give my workflow a name, and here I have named it as import Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets. And now moving to select folder, so on my left hand side you can see that these are the folders I have created before. So I want to create this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads. So now I will simply click on create. And as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the building blocks of this automation and integration. So basically, trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is the response of your trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple actions. So now moving to my trigger window, as my use case was to import Facebook lead ads into Google Sheets for retail business. Since I'm promoting my business using Facebook lead ads, so here I'm going to search for Facebook lead ads and select it as my trigger application. And after selecting Facebook lead ads, I will go to the trigger event that will be new lead instant. So now the moment I will receive a new lead, then automatically this workflow is going to run. So I'm selecting it as the trigger event. And as I did that, now I need to establish a connection between my Facebook lead ads account and Pabbly Connect. So I will simply click on connect. And now if you have an existing connection, you can go with the same, or you can simply click on add new connection. And over here to add new connection, I have already logged into my Facebook lead ads account. So now over here, I will click on connect. And here the authorization was successful. So you can see that Pabbly Connect is successfully connected with my Facebook lead ads account. So over here, I need to mention the page and the lead gen form that is associated with my page. So from this drop down, I need to select my page. So over here, I have created my page as Ayush Herbal Store. So I have a retail business of this. So moving back to Pabbly Connect, I will be selecting my page as Ayush Herbal Store, and here it is. I've selected it. Moving to lead gen form. So over here from this drop down, as I have created two lead generation form for my page. So over here, I want to go ahead with the lead gen form, which is by the name of Herbal Product Brochure Form. And this is how it looks like. So I will simply go back to Pabbly Connect, and over here I have selected my page and the lead generation form. So now here, read this important note given below. So please note that after clicking the save and send test button, you will need to make a sample submission of your lead generation form by clicking on the preview form button and filling out the form. So make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. Now here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So as I did that, here you can see it is waiting for webhook response, which means now I have to do test submission, so that the data can be recorded over here in the webhook response. Now to do a test submission, I'm going to take you to Meta for Developers page. Over here in new tab, I will search for Meta for Developers, and here it is. Now I will go to the page. And now over here, I will go to My Apps. And here I will go to Tools. And now in Tools, I will go to Lead Ads RTO Debug Tool. And as I did that, so this here is the Lead Ads Testing Tool. And this tool is going to test our integration. So over here, I need to select my page from the drop down. As my page name was Ayush Herbal Store, so I'm selecting it. And now over here from this drop down, I will select my form, that was Herbal Product Brochure form. So I've selected it. So now I will click on preview form. So here you can see that this is the form. So now over here in this herbal product brochure form, I will simply fill in these details. Here I have filled in the form details. I have mentioned a dummy email, a full name and a dummy phone number. Now I will simply click on next and I will click on submit. And here you can see that thanks, you are all set. You can visit our website or exit the form now. So over here this means that my form is submitted. So now I will simply close this. And over here you can see that your test lead has been sent. To create a new lead, please delete this one. So as I've already created one test lead, so the response would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So now I will take you to Pabbly Connect and over here you can see that the response is captured successfully. Here you can see the email, you can see the full name and you can see the phone number along with some other details. So now here my first objective is done, that was to capture new leads over here in Pabbly Connect. So now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically this trigger will capture the new incoming data and the workflow will start in real time. So moving further, as I want to import Facebook lead ads into Google Sheets for retail business, so over here I will simply scroll down and I will click on this action window and over here I will search for my action application as Google Sheets and here it is. After selecting the action application as Google Sheets, I need to select the action event and that will be to add new row. So now I need to establish a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. I will simply click on connect. And over here, if you have an existing connection, you can go with the same or you can simply add a new connection. So to add a new connection, you need to sign in with Google. And over here, you need to allow, as this is a secure access. I will simply click on allow. And here the authorization was successful. And you can see that Google Sheets is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. So over here, I need to select the spreadsheet and select the sheet. So over here, I have created a spreadsheet and it has 3 columns. One is of name, second is of email and the third one is of phone number. And the spreadsheet name is retail spreadsheet. So going back to Pabbly Connect. So now over here from this drop down, I will select my spreadsheet. So my spreadsheet was retail spreadsheet. So I've selected it. Moving to sheet, as this spreadsheet only have one sheet. So Pabbly Connect has already selected it. So moving to these fields of name, email and phone number. So over here, I will map the data from the previous step. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous steps. So over here from the response received from Facebook lead ads new lead, I will be searching for the name. So over here is the name as new lead and I have mapped it successfully. Moving to email, again from the previous response received, I will map the email and same goes with the phone number. I will map it from the response received. So over here, I have mapped the name, email and phone number. This method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response with new data, so that data can be gathered over here in these fields by replacing these old details. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So now after mapping this information, I will simply click on save and send test request to see the response. And here you can see that I have received a response and this is a positive response. Now I will take you to my spreadsheet to show you that the details of this particular lead is successfully added in a new row. So over here you can see that by the name of new lead and the email along with phone number, the details of that lead is successfully added over here in my Google spreadsheet. So this integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets was a successful one. Now, whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the details of that lead will be added in a new row in Google spreadsheet. So this integration and automation was a successful one. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.